The last bit in this chapter is on the various ways to find the area of triangle. Now, when we were in primary school, we learned the area of triangle is half BH if you have the base and the height of the triangle, right? This is the base is B, the height is H, then the area is half BH, alright? The area of the triangle will be half BH, right? Now, sometimes it doesn't matter if the H, especially in an obtuse angle triangle, right? The H will be outside of the triangle. This is H, this is B. But it doesn't matter, it is still half BH, alright? Which means that, once again, if you have a pair of light rails, if you have a parallel lines, alright? And then you have the same baseline, this blue one is the baseline. Then all the triangles with the vertex on the top rail, they will have the same area because of half BH, right? All these orange triangles, they have the same base, right? The blue line is the base, and they have the same height. The same height is the purple line, right? This is the height. This is the base B. So all these orange triangles, they have the same area, half BH, provided that the two red lines, they are parallel. Alright, so there's an interesting result from this formula. The area is half BH if you have the base and the height. Now, alternatively, if you do not have the base, but you have two include side, if you have two sides and the include angle here, right? Then you can also have the area is half AB sine theta. Alright, but there's a very important idea. The theta must be the angle between A and B. It does not work if the theta is somewhere out there. If AB theta, then this formula does not work. Alright, it's only for AB and the include angle theta. So that's half AB sine theta. Now, thirdly, this is the new thing, is what we call a Hurons Formula. Hurons Formula, right? Heron is the name of the person who discovered this formula, right? In the Western civilization. Now, Hurons Formula is based on triple S. If you have the three sides, right, of the triangle, it doesn't need an angle, it doesn't need the height. Right? If the three lines, they are A, B, and C, then we devise a quantity, what we call the half perimeter. Half perimeter will be A and B and C divided by 2. Half perimeter, right? We call it S. Then, according to the Hurons formula, the area will be S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Take the square root, not divide by 2, right? No divide by 2. There is a divide by 2, there is a divide by 2 in the previous two versions, but not this one. Alright. The area is simply S, don't miss the S here, is S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S being the half perimeter, A and B and C divided by 2. Alright. So this is directly the area of the triangle based on triple S. Alright. And on the calculator, there is a formula built in for this. It is formula 03, alright? This is formula 03. Now, these are the three formulas that you are most helpful, that it is most helpful in the calculator. Formula 01 is the quadratic formula. Formula 02 is the cosine formula, SAS cosine formula. Formula 03 is the Hurons formula. If you input these three numbers successively, one by one, then you obtain the area of the triangle. Alright. As for the proof of this Heron formula, you may want to look at the textbook for the proof. I'm not going to share with you the proof here. Alright. So that's what we call the Hurons formula. Okay, so let's take a look at simple example. You may try this on your own, right? Now remember these three ways to find the area of triangle: half BH, half AB sine theta, and the Hurons formula. Okay, now we have three triangles, PQR, in red, in blue, in green. Which is the largest? PQR, they are given like this. P is given as BH. Q is given as AB theta. R is given as the three sides, alright? So in P, we can use half BH. The area of P will be half BH. Alright. The area of Q will be half AB sine theta. Alright. The area of R, first of all, you set up the quantity of half perimeter, 6 and 7 and 8 divided by 2, alright? And the area will be S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and take the square root, alright? And take the square root. So use the calculator and see which is the largest, which is the smallest, alright? If I'm not mistaken, P goes to 24, alright? Q goes to 16.97 something, alright? And R goes to 20.33. So the largest is P, the smallest being Q, alright? Anyway, this is a demonstration on how to use the three formulas to find the area of triangle based on different, given information. Thank you.